laid off or simply stuck in quarantine for more time than you'd like, you're probably wondering how to make some extra money at home. Luckily, you've got options. Many companies are shifting to remote work, requiring people who can connect online to do things like customer service, writing, editing, social media management, English teaching, translations, and transcriptions. For those with advanced degrees, many sites offer opportunities for coders, designers, accountants, advertisers, and lawyers. There are even online jobs available for app testing, completing surveys, renting out your backyard, and wrapping your car in an advertisement. Of course, if you're looking to make cash as soon as possible, consider selling your stuff on eBay, your clothes on Poshmark, donating blood, or offering virtual consultations on skincare, nutrition, or finances. Some companies are actually hiring to meet a surge of demand due to the coronavirus. That includes Postmates and Grubhub, Amazon, FedEx, UPS, Trader Joe's, and others. As you're navigating this often stressful job market, don't forget about helpful government resources. File for unemployment benefits. Use COBRA to continue your healthcare coverage. Get your children covered under CHIP. Apply for TANF and SNAP. And remember that most federal student loan payments have been automatically paused. For more information, check out savingforcollege.com and stay safe out there.